everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome, guys. Let's go over the markets. The Dow. You guys should see my screen here. Dow was down a little bit, 42 points. Nasdaq was up. S&P was up. Russell was down. All right. Bitcoin. Now, you guys know we do have a sell signal on Bitcoin. Let's take a look at it here. US 30, we finally had a decent trade today on the US 30. All right. So Bitcoin, guys, we know we have a sell signal, right, to close Bitcoin on the daily time frame. Right now, we have purple support and resistance. Now, I know Bitcoin's been trying to move higher. All right. But this is why we stay with our sell signals. All right. Was trying to move higher, got to about 66,000, now trading at 64. Remember, 64 is a big resistance level. All right. So that's a big resistance level. So we need to get back below that 64,000. Okay. 64,000 is about right here. Right here. So it's right at that price action. Now, support is here. This is where we got the sell signal on Bitcoin, right at about 60,000. Right here. Here we are. We look for Bitcoin, guys. We have purple support and resistance. Okay, so we look for Bitcoin to come on down, test support again. All right. And there's a good chance the buyers will perhaps give up. We'll see what they do, but we need to come on down, test support, and this time really break support and start to move lower. Okay. If Bitcoin, now we mentioned this before, if Bitcoin can get above resistance up here, which is about 72,000, we could get another buy signal. Okay. But right now we have a sell signal to get out. And what we're looking for is that price to come on down. All right. Come on down. All right. That's what it's doing here. So don't get fooled by these up days that it's having. We're getting lower highs, right? Lower highs, lower lows. Okay. And remember, 64,000 right here is that resistance. So they're struggling to keep it right at that 64,000 right here. All right. So we need to break through that and close for Bitcoin to move lower. Okay. The trade is over. First trade was at 28,000. That was a buy signal. Sell signal, 40,000. Next buy signal was at 49,000. And then sell signal here, 60,000. So that's over. And that's the same for Litecoin. Right here, Litecoin is done for now. All right. Bitcoin Cash. All right. Bitcoin Cash, no sell signal yet. All right. We do well. Yeah, we're going to count this a sell signal because we do have a red candle here. Okay. Red candle. No, it's hard to see here. Ethereum, sell signal on Ethereum right here. And then, of course, Bitcoin. Okay. All right. Our US 30 traders. Great trade today. All right, on Monster US 30, finally got a decent long trade to go long, counter trend trade. Okay, so buy signal was here, sell signal came in here. Good, good trade going here. Okay, now that was a counter trend. The momentum is to the downside. All right, so we do have on the daily time frame. Right, red candles coming in here, sellers are coming in. So we look to go short. All right, and we did talk about price getting to perhaps resistance right here. All right, so we look for shorts to come in. Hopefully in the morning, we'll get a short signal to go short, and then we could perhaps take the price all the way back down here. All right, so good trade in Monster US 30. Let's go to current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper. All right. Current positions in Monster Scalper. And we'll look for new positions this evening in Monster Scalper. Yen pairs made a nice move today. Okay. We'll go over those. All right, so dollar ZAR still holding. All right, USD ZAR right here. All right, so buy signal here, guys. Decent trade going here. We are right at resistance right here. So buy signal all the way down here. All right, we're trading at resistance right here. So just no sellers are here. All right, we need to get past that resistance here. All right, so USD ZAR, that's the only dollar pair we have right now. Buy signal here, holding. Looks good to break through that resistance. We need to get past sellers right here. The yen pairs, good price action today on the yen pairs. New Zealand yen. All right, New Zealand yen buy signal is here. All right, moving up nicely. All right, need to get past resistance right here. Okay, so looks good to do that. All right, we just need to break through, get past resistance. Next area of resistance, we'll put that right about here. All right, right about here. All right, right here. All right, NZD, JPY, Aussie yen. Aussie yen, this one broke through right here. Good buy signal here. Right, nice price action. Right, getting past resistance. Okay, buy signal here. Great breakout. This is what we want to see. Buyers to come in a big way. All right, big candle here. Looks good. We have next resistance, near-term resistance. All right, not strong resistance. Near-term resistance right about here. Okay, so we need to break through here. Looks good to do that. Okay, Aussie yen. HKD JPY, that's your Hong Kong yen. All right, great trading here, guys. Look at the previous trade. All right, so pay attention to these yen pairs. We know pound yen breaking big levels. All right, I will take a look at that. Bought here, sold here. That's HKD. Next trade, bought here, sold here. All right, it's under 240 now. So these are big trades. All right, next trade, bought here, sold here. So trading really well in Monster Scalper. And then current trade, buy signal here. We talked about this one the other day, that when this price action hugs the resistance lines like this right here, that's a good chance it will break through, and showed it, right? Broke through, good price action, buy signal here, trading up nicely. Looks good to continue to move higher. HKD JPY, SGD JPY, same thing, buy signal here, right? Held that resistance line right here. Price got squeezed. You got your triangle here. Good markup phase. Buy signal here, broke out. All right, today. Pound yen. All right, pound yen. This is a straight break of support and resistance. Okay, so we got a nice break here, pull back overnight. It did retrace overnight, but held and then broke out earlier today. Okay, you might find some resistance right in here. We'll put this here. Right here. But looks good to continue to move higher. Okay, pound yen. I want to show you guys what we're looking at with pound yen. All right, so we'll come back here. Big picture on pound yen. If you guys are not trading pound yen, I know pound yen can be difficult to trade, but guys, look at this here. All right, that's on the monthly. Let's do this. Here's the weekly. Here is pound yen on the weekly, guys. All right, it made a low in 2020. All right, and look what it's been doing ever since. Okay, so don't try to short pound yen. All right. All right, if you short pound yen, get in, get out quickly. All right, because it's in a solid upward trend. And here it is right here. Big week broke out. Right. So we want to be long, long, long. Every pullback, any reversal is an opportunity to go long. Okay. So wait for those buyers to come on in to go long. Okay. On monthly time frame. Hey Solomon, welcome. on the monthly time frame for pound yen, guys, look what's going on here. All right, I want you guys to see this. This is a big deal. All right, we might start bringing out some of the monthly time frames on some of these on some of these bigger moves, big macro moves. Okay, this is pound yen here, right here. You see this? All right. All right. Here is your range right here. Good support here. And here we are breaking resistance. This is a big resistance it's breaking this current month here, getting past this area here. So do not short pound yen. Any pullback, wait for an opportunity for the buyers to come in to go long. The next target we've got on pound yen, I know pound yen can be choppy sometimes. Next area is right up here. All right. All right. That's monthly, guys. This is look at it. Every candle here is a month worth of data. This was 2012, 2017 when it bottomed out, 2020, and here we are. All right. No, we're not trading on that. We're not trading on this time frame, obviously. All right. But we can see it exactly where the direction is. Okay. So again, every pullback is an opportunity to go long. Do not short it. All right. You would short this here. You would short this here. We want to go long here. Look for longs. Look for longs here. Okay. All right. And then these are the targets here. All right. Monthly time frame. We'll leave this up for now. Okay. And on the weekly time frame, we know it's breaking out. All right. So pound yen right here on the 240. All right. We got a buy signal here. Nice breakout. We know what's going on the weekly. Know what's going on the monthly. All right. There's a good chance this will break out for us. Okay. We can remove this and then let's bring in a trend line. Okay, so really pay attention to these big trends, guys. Big trends. Okay. Sometimes we focus on just the immediate price action, and that's not good. Okay. All right. So pound yen, that's the last one. So let's go back to these. So New Zealand yen pairs are breaking out. So New Zealand yen, Aussie yen. All right. Aussie yen. Hong Kong HKD, that's breaking out. SGD, Singapore, that's breaking out. And then pound yen. All right, right here. Okay, early moves. No guarantee that these will hold, but they're moving right now. All right, that's all that matters. All right, no shorts. We don't have any shorts in Monster Scalper or Forex Dominator. Okay, but we do have some long positions in Forex Dominator. Okay, HKD JPY. All right, that's breaking out here. HKD JPY. Buy signal here. Nice big candle broke out today. All right, notice how price is holding above. Right at that resistance. Big pop. Right, big candle today. All right, exactly what we wanted to see there. Okay, nice trade going here. This is for about I can't even tell. Lots of pips there. All right. Aussie, I'm sorry. Yeah. HKD JPY, SGD JPY, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Look at that. Good price action there. USD also moving. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. Broke through resistance today. Big candle came in today. All right. Big candle right here. Okay. All right, USD JPY, USD CNH. All right, buy signal here. That's holding. Big candle came in today. USD CZK. All right, buy signal here. All right, holding that trend line right now. Buyers are holding green candles. USD DKK. All right, pullback. That's holding. Need to get to resistance here. USD HKD. All right, buy signal here, holding. USD HUF, same thing. Buy signal, holding. Need to get past sellers here, right? Break resistance there. USD MXN, just holding. NOK, buy signal here, moving up slowly here. All right, moving up slowly. We can do this. So we are getting some decent price action, guys. I know it's been frustrating with Forex a bit, but there's still opportunities. Okay. So find your opportunities. All right. USD NOK, USD SEK. All right. Buy signal here. Holding. Need to test resistance here. Okay. We do have strong resistance right here. See sellers come in here. All right. But so far, so good. Right here. Just holding. USD SGD. All right. Buy signal here. Holding. Right. We need to get past resistance up here. We do have purple support and resistance there. All right. Keep that in mind. We're bringing a trend line here. All right. All right. And then USD TRY. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, it's still holding. We're going to close this, guys. There's nothing happening here. All right. USD TRY. We'll get that out of there. All right. All right. Equities. All right. Stock boss. We've got 3 positions. Let's see here. All right. CRK. Good move, guys, today. All right. CRK. All right. Good markdown phase. Let's bring that in. And that is energy. All right. So nice pop today. That buy signal came in at, what's that? Buy signal came in at 8.99, trading at 10.15. First target, what's that? $13. All right, broke resistance today. All right, so nice move there. ORGN slowly moving higher. Look at this. All right, retrace buy signal here, 67 cents. All right, we're getting higher. See, these green buyers are coming in here. Need to get past resistance, so it's doing that. All right, good risk reward. Target is if we can make it up here, all the way up here. Okay, but they're coming in slowly there. VTNR, that's another energy. All right, good markdown phase. All right, buy signal was at 172, retraced 143, still green candles. We do have strong support here, decent support here. Okay, several months of support right here. So hopefully buyers can come back in. All right, Thursday and Friday. Our target on this one is all the way up here. So trading at $1.43, target about 8 if we could make it up there. Okay, that's stock boss. So we got 3 in stock boss. Bull master, we've got 2. JXN. All right, look at that. That's financial. All right, moving up nicely here. Broke resistance here. All right, that's the only financial. And then HCC is holding. Okay. All right, let's take a quick look at stock boss and hit seeker for stock boss and bull master. And then we'll take a look at Forex. All right. Looks like Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin might want to come down. And it's got past, it got below, it's at 63. Hey, Anthony, welcome. 63,980. All right, 980. This here, when this happens here, after this sell signal, this happens a lot, where you will see buyers come in and then sellers reject it. We could see the same thing with equities too. All right. We could see where buyers came in, right? Last few days, buyers came in on Monday. All right, so that's why we want to be out. Take those sell, especially sell short signals. You guys see this all the time, right? Get sell short, right? Buyers come in, and then guess what? All of a sudden, that price comes back down. Okay, so they'll get one more push to try to save the market, all right, or save their position, and then that it rolls over. Same thing is happening right now with Bitcoin. Okay, all right, so sell short signals, sellers came in, buyers, they try to push that price higher, but guess what? Coming on down. A lot would have to happen. We would have to get past, break all-time highs, all right, for to really attract the big buyers, and that's not happening right now. Okay. All right. Stock boss. Let's see. Heat seeker. Let's just run it. All right. So heat seeker. Oh, we've got some action here. Let's see how many today. All right, 42. That's a good bit. All right, let's see here. Let's see if we can find anything. We'll try to stay within the sector. So this is basic material, SSRM. We're going to add that. All right, that's basic material. So we'll try to stay within basic material. All right, and energy. We'll look at healthcare too. Okay. All right, so SSRM. Okay. Nice markdown phase, good selling here. Lots of good selling. All right, buy signal here at 547. Okay. This is still stocks, guys. So, still be careful. Won't go heavy. Right. This market sellers can come in heavy at any time. Okay. So, all right. But that's a mining stock. Okay. Mining stock. All right. Basic material. All right. Gold, that's gold and silver. SSRM. Let's see here. That's another basic material. Fell from about 7, trading at 3. Not a good risk reward. Very choppy. Okay. So we'll let that go. ORGN, we're in that one already. Okay. EXK, that's also basic material. That's gold and silver. That's gone. Buy signal was all the way down here, 196, trading at 270. That's gone there. All right, let's keep going here. Energy here. VTRN, we were in that one. Pump. All right. I thought we were in pump. Oh, we got out of pump here on these white candles. All right. So we're going to get back in here. All right. So here is pump again. Okay. And pump is part of energy. All right. Petroleum. And guess what? All right. Buy signal here looks really good. Good markdown phase. No, I did some coaching today. I was talking to one of the traders that had a similar trade like this in for Forex and got out. All right, and it's setting up again. So I told him to go ahead and get back in, because a lot of times, guys, when this happens, all right, and we are forced out of the trades, when they set back up again, right, give you another opportunity, right? Don't forget this trade. Sometimes they line up again. Okay. So PUMP. Okay. All right. So buy signal, this is where it forced us out. And that's all of that selling that came in. So normally you can hold on a white candle, but when the market is selling off like it did last week, right, just be on the safe side. Okay. But looks good right here to break the resistance. You got good resistance here, all through here, target here. So PUMP, and that's energy. Okay. Setting up nicely. And it's not far from your buy signal. Okay. AMPY. Do we have anything here? Nothing here. All right. Healthcare. We've been seeing action in healthcare, some action. Let's just see. All right, nothing. Yeah, we'll hold off on those. Okay. But 40, what was it? 40, 42. That's pretty good. Keep an eye on, see if they keep buying. That's good. For a relatively, S&P was up. S&P was up. Nasdaq was up slightly. So Bullmaster, let's see here. 29 in Bullmaster. Let's see. All right, so energy AR, and that's gone. RRC, that's gone. That's energy. That's good to see. CRK, we're in that one there. PBR, no buy signal. All of these are energy, no buy signal. All right, but that's good to see. Good price action there. No basic materials. Okay. No healthcare here. Okay. All right. So pump, PUMP, and SSRM, and that's in Stock Boss. All right, Monster Scalper. And we'll be done early, not a lot. All right, Monster Scalper. The dollar index, guys, let's go here first. The dollar index, we need to know what it's just holding, still holding here. Okay. The dollar pairs did make a move. The yen pairs made a move too. All right. So dollars holding, just holding steady. Again, we needed to break through that resistance. Okay. Need to get past resistance here. Okay. To see the dollar pairs really move. Okay. All right. So keep that in mind. So let's take a look at Monster Scalper. So the good news is we do have a decent amount of volatility. It's trimming a bit, all right, but still good. Aussie dollar, all right, Aussie dollar. We're gonna call Aussie dollar. Okay, so buy signal here, holding firm, target all the way up here, and we're seeing good price action up in here. Okay, so that's good, especially with the yen. So Aussie dollar, AUD, USD. That's long in Monster Scalper. Okay, Aussie dollar right here. All right, nice pullback. All right, don't be afraid of the pullbacks. Right, to test. Right, that retest. Aussie New Zealand. Let's wait to see if Aussie New Zealand. I would say we're gonna call it. We'll put it on, but I would wait. Just wait. All right. Use your systems. All right. So it looks good, right? That's a reaccumulation trade. Look at the previous long, guys. Look at that previous long here. So we know it trades well. Look at that there. That's under 240, an amazing trade. So here we are again. All right. So it's holding, buy signal here, holding not too far. So we're going to call it, but just wait, see what it does. If it can get hold, right now it's trading right below. If it can hold above here, anywhere in here. Okay. AUDNZD long in monster scalper. Okay. But the Aussie dollar looks better. All right. If you're gonna pick, probably Aussie dollar looks better. Aussie Swiss. With this type of move here, we really need the dollar pairs to come on down. Notice how with and then target here. And Aussie Swiss has done a decent job trading. All right. Not great, but yeah. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. So a decent. And then resistance here. So that's a good setup. Aussie Swiss, AUD, CHF. Long in monster scalper. Okay. Let's take a look at the Kiwi, New Zealand dollar. All right. New Zealand dollar, same thing here. Buy signal here, target here. All right. New Zealand Swiss, hold on. But I tell you, it would be great to see these move. If the dollar just sits for a while, we could see, and it could happen where the dollar just sits for a while. We could see a run in these pairs. All right. And then what would be nice is, right, see a run in these, take profits, and then see a run in these to go long. Okay. So we're going to add New Zealand dollar. You guys know we don't trade, just find your spot. NZD. NZD USD long in monster scalper. NZD Swiss. All right, we'll hold off on this one. Very choppy. We'll keep an eye on it. Okay, so we'll put a question mark. It's got to get past resistance here, but pound yen broke out of a consolidation like this today. So it can happen. NZD CHF along in monster scalper, and we'll just put a question. I would wait for it to hold above resistance there. New Zealand CAD, just wait for your buy signal, right? So I would put but just make a note to wait for a buy signal for New Zealand CAD. Really good markdown phase. All right. Found support at the bottom here. All we need here is just a buy signal. Buyers are coming in here. We just need a buy signal, New Zealand CAD. Okay. But I like what's happening here. This is turning blue, right? Blue up. These are turning red down. All right. So this looks good. All right. ZAR yen, and we know we've got some nice positions going here, nice trades going here. So dollar yen, that looks good. TRY JPY, nothing here. SGD JPY, right? We call this one, that looks good. See if we can find another one. New Zealand yen, that looks good. Buy signal here, look at that. Holding, moving up nicely here. We got to get past resistance right here, or the high right here. Okay, we can keep moving that up. HKD JPY. All right, look at that. Good price action here. We talked about this last night. When these prices are holding, hugging that resistance line, that's a good sign. All right, and it broke out. So pay attention to those minute little details, okay, as we become better at this. All right, so holding resistance, hugging resistance, nice breakout there. Okay, good buy signal, and hopefully we get another move like this here. HKDJPY, pound yen broke out of a nice, well, I wouldn't say it's nice, very choppy range here, but the breakout is nice and it's holding. Okay, buy signal here, it's holding. And we looked at the pound yen. All right, big picture pound yen. All right, big picture pound yen. We're looking for pound yen to break out even further, guys. All right, big pound yen is in a big macro move. All right, monthly time frame. See what's going on here? All right, just remember that high here was 2015. Here it is right here. All right, it's breaking out this month. This month right here. All right, breaking out, and then we've got another second month coming in. Another month was that May. We could see buyers really come in. All right, in May. Okay, so big move. Right, we're not short in pound yen. All right, look for opportunities to just go long with the overall trend. Okay, all right, almost done here. Okay, so pound yen. This could be an early move on the 240 for pound yen. Okay, I know it's been choppy. Okay, but it will move. Euro yen. All right, buy signal here. That's moving up nicely here. Swiss yen, nothing here. CAD yen, moving up nicely. Buy signal here. All right. So everything is gone. Even Aussie yen, buy signal here. That's gone. So no new opportunities. Okay, they're all gone. Um, Hold off on shorting the dollar pairs, guys. You guys, we saw the dollar index. It's holding firm. It's holding its buy signal. All right. It's holding firm. Europe pairs are mixed. So your trade right now, this is the trade right now. Aussie, Kiwi, yen pairs long. That's the trade. Right. We always want to be on the right side. Okay. If things change, they change, but we want to be on the right side. These dollar pairs, I know they're red right now, but that dollar index is holding a buy signal here, and it's currently up. So just wait on doing anything with the dollar pairs. Okay. If the dollar, now we do have, we can remove this. Let's see here. We do have support right here. This is where the last buy signal close right here. So this area here, if the price comes down, hit that area right in here, we could get a sell signal, and then we might look to go short the dollar pairs. But for now, just hold off. Okay. And again, finally got a good trade long in the US 30. Okay. So good short trade right here. But again, um, right, we were looking for a target. This was a decent target here, but really wanted this target here, but got out here. All right. Red candles are coming in. So Dow was down today. It's down in the futures market. So this can present a really good short all the way back down here, guys. Okay, on the daily time frame. All right, on the daily time frame. Right, this was your pullback right here, right to that moving average. This will happen a lot. All right, to that moving average, and here sellers are coming back in. Red candles coming in. All right, today this one was on the market close today at 5, and then this is current candle, and then here we are here. So we just need a sell short, needed to come on down, break support right here, give a sell short signal. That might be a decent trade to come all the way back down here to support. All right, if we get some selling in the equity markets tomorrow. Okay. All right, guys, that's all I've got. Okay, so not bad. Yen pairs really made a nice move. Wait on the dollar pairs. Okay, wait on the dollar pairs. Aussie pairs are setting up. Kiwi pairs are setting up. But the better group, yen, then Aussie, then Kiwi. Okay. The other pairs, I mean, you can trade them individually. Okay. But as far as a group, that's what's going on. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Good trading. Take care. Have a good evening. Bye bye.